The bots level up every weekend, I swear. So I thought I could make a game in HTML5 really quick, faster than Godot, obviously. So what I did is I made a directory called Spaceship Fantasy, CD'd into it, Claude coded into it. It came up with a game plan. I pressed enter. It generated the game. This was 5 minutes or less. This is the game it produced. Spaceship Fantasy. Use arrow keys to move, space to shoot. All right, let's get started. I click start. I can shoot. I can kill things. They can damage me. And if I die, game over. Score 20. Lives 0. Boom. We have a game. And then if we want to improve it, let's say, what's the most? I think the most glaring thing is no sound. That might be the most challenging thing we could ask it to do, but I'm going to do it anyways. Add. So here we go. Add MIDI sounds. Music. Main theme loop. And SFX. I'm not even writing well anymore. I'm just spitting out half coherent sentences. So it says create audio system with web audio API, add main theme music loop, add sound effects for shooting, explosion, player hits. Perfect. I think the first time it ran it used 1,000 tokens, I'm not sure. So I'm on the $100 a month plan, and you can use the best model, Opus 4, and then every 5 hours it resets the amount of tokens you can use. So if I end up using too many, it will make me go to Sonnet, which is still Sonnet 4 is really good, but uses way less tokens. So I would imagine like coding for a full hour or two at max, going down to Sonnet for an hour or two, and then only needing like 1 hour of wait because you've timed out, and then you get 5 more hours to do it all again. Oftentimes I will like just have 2 tabs open, and I'll be building a game, and also I'm doing an MCP for recording your desktop. So it's like doing both at the same time, burning tokens. Okay, so what did it actually do? We don't know. It updated, so added audio.js. We could expand this to see the 216 lines that it created. Game audio dot play shoot. Makes sense, you know, when you shoot, play the shoot sound. Game audio play player hit. Game audio play explosion. Pretty basic. Great. I'm curious how it's going to get the music. I think there's libraries that will just generate MIDI that you could just pull for free. Start music. All right, looks like it's wrapping up. 3.4 tokens, K tokens. 37 seconds. Boom. Retro chiptune. Let's see. Oops, where is our Chrome? Refresh. Sound. Oh! I'm also sharing on my TV, so it's coming out of my TV. Can you guys hear this? All right, I wasn't sharing audio, but boom. It's a weird sound for the shooting. You know what we're missing? We're missing enemy explosion, or maybe not. Aimed feels a little off, but it's probably just me. When you die. That's pretty cool. Not what I would imagine, but then again, we did say fantasy spaceship, so maybe that confused it. What else? Want a high score? I want a high score. Let's do a high score. This is crazy. Now, obviously, This is pure vibe coding, pure vibing. There's more to actual software engineering. I'm going to be doing some more blogs and videos about it, but this, I'm not even looking at the code. I don't know if I could publish this easily. There's probably some edge cases. It's pretty simple games, so probably not, but you know, there's a lot more to software engineering and game development than this, obviously. But just the fact that you can do this, it's amazing. It's pretty cool. High score celebration effects. So I was imagining, you know, one of those screens where you put your initials in. Let's see if that's what it comes up with. So it's about a minute, 1,000 tokens. If stars, what is stars? Oh, the background stars. Dot length is 0. Start, push, new star. Oh, so they're creating 100 stars in the background. If new high score, local storage, Spaceship Fantasy high score, so they're just saving it to your browser. Particles, so they're now creating some particles. This is on explosion, on game over. Okay, setting the score, a little effect if you get a new high score. If there isn't a new high score, it does not set that effect. Add high score celebration. Yes, it's wrapping that up. It's saying it's helping. If I told it to like go refactor, it would say refactoring or something cool here. And then it's adding audio for it. Play high score and see the notes. These are actual MIDI. It's like MIDI is sound through math, essentially. So it's creating all these different notes at different frequencies. And it's doing a sine wave, triangle wave, square wave to play the different notes in a pattern. All right, I did it. I'll refresh. High score is 0. Are the big guys worth more? Oh, I died. I don't like that. I hit space and it just started the game. Space to restart. Might want to change that. New high score. Okay, so you can't put your initials in, but did the basics. All right, well, I could do this all day. I could keep adding features, but I'm going to work on some other stuff. But it's amazing. Start vibing, guys. It's fun.